Hey friends, welcome back. We're going to be baking from Everyday Muffin Party for some muffin meal prep. In the savory section, I will show you what we're making. On the agenda are our cheddar broccoli egg muffins. I'm making half a batch today, so we will just be making 6. Here's what goes into them. We've got eggs, we've got some broccoli. I used frozen but defrosted it, shredded cheese, some sea salt, and some pepper. That's everything. We're going to get our eggs beat. And then as we're doing that, go ahead and add your broccoli in. You can see that it's just cut into little pieces. If it was big florets, you'll definitely want to chop that up. Next, we're going to add our shredded cheese in and then get that mixed up. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then get that mixed in too. And then we're just getting it into our silicone muffin liners, which make it so that they don't stick in the muffin tins. Here's what they look like right when they come out of the oven. This is about a minute later and they're actually already starting to deflate. They're going to deflate a little bit more too. The final product, they have cooled enough to the touch. Well, they're still a little steamy, but they smell so good. Cheddar broccoli flavor is just amazing. They're my son's favorite, so he's going to be so excited to see these, and I hope you get to try them too. The full recipe is below. It's also on fitmamarealfood.com and in my cookbook, so you can find it in so many places. If you try it, let me know.